is what you'll need to make my dan dan noodles. There's many variations of dan dan noodles, so feel free to chop and change with the ingredients to your own taste. Chicken stock cube, some ginger, garlic, spring onions, dash of lime juice, some pickled mustard root. I'm using turkey mince, you can use pork, beef, whatever you like. Some Sichuan pepper powder, sweet chili sauce, chili oil, make your own like I've done if you can, soy sauce, rice wine vinegar, dash of honey, of course some noodles, and to finish off some peanuts. To prepare your bowl for the noodles, we're going to go in with just a dash Sichuan pepper powder, some sweet chili sauce, about a teaspoon, a dash of your rice wine vinegar, half a teaspoon, dash of soy sauce, and last but not least, your chili oil. If you're making a few, you can make this into a big bowl and then just scoop it into the individual plates. Once you've got that, give that a good mix round. And that's going to be the base for your noodles to go on to. Add a little oil to your pan, a bit of swirl round so it coats it, and then it's in with your mince. You're going to gently fry that off until we brown the mince. Once your meat is cooked through, it's time to take it off the heat. With your mince put to one side, heat some oil up into your wok or pan, and then it's in with your pickled veg. You're going to give them a minute or two just to heat through and cook. When they've had a minute or two, time to go in with a teaspoon of your Sichuan pepper, stir that round, let it release its oils and flavour. Into there goes a dash of your rice wine vinegar and your soy sauce. And into there you're going with the white parts of your spring onion and a teaspoon of garlic and a teaspoon of ginger. And give them a couple of minutes to cook through. After a few minutes, when everything's reduced down and all your flavours are mixed, it's time to go back in with your turkey. Your cooked turkey, that is. And get that. Once you've reheated your mince through, it's time to crush a chicken stock into a pan, in with some boiling water, and then it's in with whatever noodles you've chosen, just to cook and heat them through. When your noodles are done, just give your chili oil concoction quick stir, and then it's in with your noodles. Don't worry about the watery stock coming off your noodles. You want some of that to loosen your chili oil, plus it's got lovely chicken flavour in it as well. When your noodles are in, time to go in with some of your mince. And then to top it off, the green parts of your spring onion, some of your peanuts that you've bashed up, and a few chili peppers for decoration and taste. Put as many or as little on as you like. Mix that up with the oil in the bottom.